Welcome back to our channel. We are Sam and Kelly. Last week we left you off on an amazing week with friends, trying an activity in Baja, Mexico that was full of adrenaline. Today we'll be taking you off the beaches of Mexico and into the mountains for something brand new. Now sit back, relax, and come right along with us.
Oh yeah, So we were just about to leave, but we realized we are at 0 water and we don't want to take time to go to a water station, so we keep this 20-liter 5-gallon water that we're gonna pour into our water tank real quick before we head out.
Filling up our gravity fill with our extra tank is a team effort. It's super heavy. We had a beautiful last morning today in Los Brillas. We said goodbye to our friends Jazz and Crystal. We had a lot of goodbye hugs, and then we did some yoga, packed up, and now we are headed to get gas because we are going to the small village town of Santiago. Santiago holds one of the best hidden gems in Baja, or so we've been told. And what is that hidden gem, you may ask? Well, come along and you'll see.
All right, we just got some diesel and they got us some chips, so they're gonna just pass it over to us real quick. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
This road is quite bumpy.
Oh, watch out.
Oh, hi, little buddy. How are we doing? We have just parked and arrived at Rancho Santa Rita. It was quite a bumpy and wild ride, but we're here and we need to put our bathing suits on. When you have to wear your bathing suit for something, you're in for a good time.
I'm ready. Let's hit it.
Unfortunately, dogs aren't allowed at this location. I'm sure Sunny will be watching TV or something, or catching up on a good book while we're gone. Or squealing like this guy over here.
We're not gonna be gone longer than an hour. You got all the window covers on, you got the fan on, and you got tons of water. You're okay. I believe in you. I don't actually believe in him. Bye-bye.
Wow, it's a full oasis back here. Is a beautiful lagoon, but there's a hot spring right over there and it smells like sulfur, so we gotta go. Wow, it's nice though. It's not too hot or too cold.
It's like a perfect hot tub.
Talia and I just did a little whiff of the scent of the sulfur water. I'm gonna reenact it for you. Talia, I'm gonna need you to do it as well. Nice.
Just like breakfast. It smells like, you know, when you eat that really bad Mexican food and the next morning you're not feeling so good.
So now we're a little smelly and it's a little hot, so we need to cool off in the cold spring. Much better.
So this place is seriously so cool. You can really find a way to make yourself have a little private experience or a place that's not super crowded. Only negative is you can't bring your dog. Don't worry, Sonny. We're on the way back.
Come on in, guys.
Come on in, guys. Come on in, guys. Come on in, guys.
Brownie. Whoa! We're breaking. That was a hair hole. We met an American who has a house down here in Los Brillas and has been coming here for 20 years and said in the past 2 years, this area has just boomed. They said that when they went to this swimming hole here, there was never a soul in sight. So they were absolutely shocked to see so many people there today.
And also so many people, was like 10 or 15. And now after our time here, we're actually gonna be doing one more really exciting thing while we're in this general vicinity. I wonder what it'll be.
We're excited to show you.
We finally made it to our destination. It was a very long and bumpy road, just like it was to get in here. It was the same road that we took to get in here, but just a little detour on our way out. But we made it here in one piece. But before we go, we are whipping up a little snack so we have energy. So let's see what Kelly's making.
My head was made for the clouds. Want me, come get me, I'm not coming down. Are you mad?
We have here a chickpea salad wrap. This will be our energy to walk to the waterfall.
Gracias.
Sam, look at these.
Look at what?
I don't know, the bathrooms.
Oh my God, the bathrooms. It's like a bar. Bathroom tour, come on in.
Oh, step, watch your step.
Watch your step. Brick, red brick, kind of New York vibe. A little sink and a toilet with a mirror. That's actually rare. Most bathrooms in Mexico don't have mirrors that we've experienced.
And it's a flushable toilet.
Flushable toilet.
We can hear the water roaring and people shouting, so we know we're getting closer. We're on Maddie and Talia's film crew right now as they walk all the way up to scale the mountain to go to the waterfall. And I imagine this is what Tommy Caldwell's filmers for the Dawn Wall felt. Just the same exact as this. Anticipation, fear, joy.
How the fuck are we gonna get down?
We're the only ones here.
We're back from the waterfall. I can't believe it was only 150 pesos per person because it was absolutely beautiful. This whole day has been pretty amazing. To see lagoons and oasis in the middle of the desert. We've seen beach scenery after beach scenery for the past couple of months, and that has been amazing. But to see something a little bit different for the day has been bellissimo. But now, just like every other night, we have to find somewhere to sleep. So hopefully we find somewhere decent and before dark, but we're gonna follow Talia and Maddie and hope for the best. We'll show you where we end up. Why are we pulling over?
Well, we both need to empty our pee jugs and toilets. But don't worry, it's because if you're camping, you're gonna be peeing outside anyways. So basically in the middle of nowhere, pee jug, be gone.
Yum.
You nasty.
Friends that empty their pee together, you know the rest.
What feels like an eternity later, we have made it to San Jose Del Cabo, which is not Cabo San Lucas. It's the more artsy Cabo, is what I'm gonna call it.
Yeah.
We're gonna be camping on the street tonight near some hotels, and we're gonna go try and get some dinner. Have a nice night. Driving at night is always a little bit scary in Mexico. There was a lot of cows, so definitely always try your best to not drive at night, not due to the roads being bad, it's due to the wildlife jumping out at you. So a little tip for you right there. But we're gonna try and get some food and bring you along with us.
Tacos this time.
Tacos this time.
Yeah, I swear we do eat tacos. They just never happen to be on camera. But it's a ramen night.
So when you thought the night was over, it's actually just beginning. Fully in my underwear. I'm being super raw and authentic. We were just about to go to bed.
Wait, can we go back to being super raw and authentic?
I am. We were just about to go to bed, and then the smell of disgusting sewer was coming through our vent fans. Sewage was going through the vent fans. It's 10 o'clock at night. We've been driving a lot today. It's been a big day from start to finish, but we're gonna have to move. And this is also another van life thing. if you don't like something, you can move, which is great, but it's also like you're tired.
Also, another van life thing is being parked so close to sewage, and we're on such a busy road. You know what happened is...
You know what happened?
You know what happened is Sam tried to convince me that this dollar bill from Target was going to mask the smell of a sewage plant gone wrong.
So, we're gonna move. We're moving. Bye-bye.
Just a goofy guy. He's just a goofy guy.
So yesterday was a big action-packed day, and today we've had a very slow morning. It's already 9 o'clock and we haven't really left the bed whatsoever, but we're gonna force ourselves to actually do some stuff today.
We're gonna go get some coffee and do some very van life activities today. But first, I need to change. Woo! Thanks for helping me. Now I'm ready for some coffee. Where we're going for coffee, all I gotta say is my mom would be very proud.
So Kelly gets me a breakfast sandwich, an iced water, and a cake pop.
We have a ton of van errands that we need to do, so let's see how fast we can do them. It's about 10:15 right now, and I say it will take maybe 2-ish hours, so we'll see. We've shared before that in Mexico it's hard to find pressurized water hoses to fill up our tank, so this one doesn't have a hose, so we're using our water jug and we're just gonna go over and over pouring it in with 5 gallons, so let's do it.
This is our gym workout for the day. 1 down. Who knows how many more? Number 2. Number 3.
Nice.
Last one, hopefully.
Crossing our fingers, it's the last one.
Crossing our fingers.
Woo! Okay, so we are done with our errands. It's 1:15, so we did do a couple hours worth of van errands. One of the errands we did was we took Sunny to the dog school here in San Jose Del Cabo. It was pretty recommended. Sunny can be a reactive dog. Every few months we try to get him some training. So we did an hour consultation with the folks over there and they were amazing. We are going to go back to their AM sessions for the next couple of days to get Sunny reamped on his training. If you have dogs that can be reactive, we feel you and we are here for you, and we just gotta all keep trying, because like we said, always everyone is a work in progress, including our little Tony boy. But now we're gonna have some fun. Sunny needs to just relax for the rest of the day, and we're gonna go to a cafe, get some good eats, and do some work. This is the nicest glass of coffee I've ever had. This is a Caesar salad, and fun fact, Caesar salads actually originated in Tijuana in Baja. So that's pretty special, named after a chef Caesar. Oh, gracias. We couldn't be too healthy and just get a Caesar salad, so we came here for a little slice of a lemon loaf.
I'm so excited.
That's pretty good, tastes like a lemon loaf.
Oh no, so close!
Woo! Perfect! Tonight we are parked in San Jose Del Cabo, but luckily this time it's not on the street next to sewer, so we're happy about that. It's right on the beach, nestled in between the resorts here, so we kind of get to live the resort life without paying for it. But we are going to make our famous curry tonight, and by famous I mean Sam and I just really like it. Tali and Maddie are going to help us just shape it up to be a nice night.
Can I have a bell pepper, please?
Of course. Woo!
Oh, also, can I get some broccoli?
Woo!
Do you have spinach by chance?
Of course. Hey!
Talia, can you crush the garlic?
I would love nothing more. Team effort. It's tofu curry. Some extra spices I can't tell you about.
I mostly love.
Okay, let's take
grace.
Say grace.
I had a moment today where I was thinking about how it's gonna be so sad when we were saying like
Oh,
we're parting ways. Although we're gonna see each other like in not so long after.
Yeah,
So-
still. And we're not gonna know your everyday thoughts.
That is weird.
Oh, we'll share them.
Okay.
Put down. Have it. Give me a
So after a beautiful night with amazing friends, amazing food, games, and everything, we have to do the dishes. We can't just not do them, so.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate every single one of you. We love seeing the comments and the community that we are slowly but hopefully building. We have so much fun making these videos, and we hope that we can bring you some joy and positivity when you watch these videos, and that hopefully it inspires you to get out there.
If you're curious on following our day-to-day, you can follow us on Instagram at Sam and Kelly's Van. We post there just about every single day. All of our thoughts, all of Sunny's thoughts are on there as well. So we hope to see you all there.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.